On this side, Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar, come here.
What I say, what go in general?
Oscar,
Yeah.
why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me and your granny I said they want to fire you from up at your workplace. How I go on up there? What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes I not like tell mama certain things, you know, because mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But, so I get fire, but I not get no fire, you know. You see it? I some big that I go up at hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, so?
I'm going to show you a pray, go up at hotel there. See? Yo, you see the little catty when I just walk around with the little broad, short catty?
Yeah, man. That little cat the way. Now your cat where you not come on the other day?
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, he must show me a prayer. Walk my team up at the hotel, I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that a go on up there? And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire? You see them boss boy? And them something they really go on with up there?
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, you are. Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because you know, it's up at the hotel there. A whole palico carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of ever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just have to lay low. You see me? Because you are. I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of let that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. I have one little thing up my yard to deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what am I take me down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you say any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do for get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See, Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from a day, I realize say, I be a night shift for my give me and at night time I'm going in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in him job, I catch him a look for me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello?
General, what go on? Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone, and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the eye, man, because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop around for me. Yeah. Remember that little bitch in there one when I tell you to work up at the hotel, man. For me, little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem, and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my brother, and I really like some more you go lock up nobody, but more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, He must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him woman.
Rape. What you say to me? So you no report it?
No man, we never really want to make no report yet. You see me, that's how me call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of, you see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off for him or cool her down her.
No man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We don't have to go report it. He told them, go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know, if you know how do, you know, because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah man, that man is heavy, man, so you know if you know the same way. Yeah man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah man, give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is this, man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I see what I'm from behind. And I say, Mr. Johnson, what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on for me. And then he just start tear off my clothes. Alright.
So we tell, you go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to wait down because nobody not going to believe. Because they not going to say Mr. Johnson have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then yet. Or say no to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
Wake up. Wake up. The get up, I need to spread up the bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something I gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy for you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up the bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I made the ask time because you're bigger, you know, no time. Sorry.
Where my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? I mean, help take care of your foot?
It's my boot, man. Because you see, you love to take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early like morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. I'm tired, man. I just, yo, I hear me. Just do what you do, you answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just because your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. I mean, yo, I hear me. Just give me some time, yeah, sir. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food I start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. That be good. National dish, tin mackerel, saltfish. I don't know what I'm going with it. something wrong, but yeah, you're rough.
$500 can't buy nothing.
You
You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel. And you they come. Where you think about pepper? Pepper every day. Me no want you not about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as nearly. Me tell you that it. You go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes, some people are grateful, listen, man. And people in Africa right now, they be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now, tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me. You chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk on this early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say a man probably delaying, but just go on like one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things you go on, you know. Where you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone the best. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is gone, man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God know? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You're going like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm a friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And
Tangelina?
the same girl you always see me with.
Girl? That you say? Oh, I see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name, but she named Angelina. Matter of fact, me a question about your friend them.
I see that best friend. It's alright, know yourself. But they are dark, must come a light. Angelina, you have to talk about. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to? You drop your head, come out and come sit. Or come check me.
I lucky things
Busy with your best friend, not true?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you glad to wake you up, I lucky thing me wake you up because maybe you're that pissy then.
It's a cross history. And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come here something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Best friend?
Yo, mama.
What I don't want, girl is?
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey. I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss. Alright. Yeah, man, guess what now? My name is Kemar and this is a public report, right? So if you're over by AV watching this short film, I want you to go over by public report official, and that's public with a K. There will be a link in the description, alright? So guess what? Go over there and subscribe, please. You'll get this and many more videos like this over there, so alright? So go and jam with me right now, quickly. We'll be jamming, yeah, over AV or public report official, yes.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. Yeah, tie up. You two of you talk same time and that you don't realize. You chat, me chat. When you go chat, you first want to chat around me. How you go? Okay, Mosh. You know what I say, boy.
Me want this BTS to blow.
You're rough.
Alton.
Best friend, not the best friend of
Big boy.
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
What? I want the blood clot. No, God. Get up.
We're not going with people. Hold on. Hold on. So, yes, guys, that's Fire Us and a new cast member. I don't know Lawrence and him weird ideas. So before now, I actually get her one side. Well, before I get her one side, this is what I did. I went around, asked crew members to write a question for her on a piece of paper. So what I did was, I took a photo of her. So I took this photo, I showed it to every cast member, and I said to them, if you could ask this face one question, what would that question be? So that we do. But we are going to golf course now, and then later we follow up on that. And bear in mind, majority of the cast members are females, and I am saying this because of the questions that were asked. And I'm going to find them interesting. Golf course, visuals, yeah. Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else do you want out of life? Oh, she's trying to get under the fence, guys. Carlanda, is this your first time? Yes. Okay. See if one wing for me or however they do that. Okay. So over by the golf course now. I figure more or less I'm gonna go live on all these things. And here is everyone. So the questions came from these people, guys. Except that pretty one with the handbag. She wasn't here as yet, but everyone else. Yeah. Tiring and fun. Fun and tiring. Hello, pretty miss. They haven't met you as yet.
Hi guys.
Kind to introduce yourself, miss?
My name is Yannick, aka Peaches.
Peaches?
Yes.
How honey did I feel?
There is honey, yeah.
Okay.
My teeth in sister, the teeth, my baby. Candy. Yes, see her before.
Sir, beautiful. And what are we doing out here today?
Honestly, I don't know. Just to follow the crowd.
Okay. Okay.
Don't know if I have a part to do today, but me just come with the crowd.
So how has the experience been so far for you?
Wonderful.
You see? Yeah, me have a live. Come, you want to come? Huh? Yeah, sit here. Let me go live. So, I'm terrible with names. Remind me your name again?
Yannick.
Oh, yes, Yannick. So how has the experience been for you so far?
Shut up, Akeem.
It's been good.
Shut up, my sister. Listen, this is Yannick and this is our thieving sister Candy. What I want to say, bless up on yourself, you know, I love you a long time. And you should breathe again, my teeth in that pit me.
Ain't this what life is about? Meeting new people, new personalities, and doing fun things. What else you no want out of life? Yo, when I'm sure crocodile, hey fire! Crocodile down there, some of youth. Hi miss.
Hi guys.
Are you an actor as well?
No, not as yet.
Not as yet? You're not playing a part yet?
No.
Oh yeah, drink.
I'm having a Jamaica first strike there.
Mine a junk, you know. See me people, great Popeye.
Santa Claus in town.
So you see the persons that ask those questions of you? Are you seeing the people?
Me? I'm not been asking about today.
Last time I talked to you.
It's not my fault.
I'm not talk to you again. People? Okay. Make sure you cover it. Okay. See my little girlfriend down here, so I don't know. Now understand how she down here chat to next man.
Calm down. Different man in our life.
Hello. It's over. Bye.
Why would you do that?
Cause you find new man.
Don't you know that I don't cheat? Black women don't cheat.
No, black women don't cheat.
No, we don't. Yeah.
Yes, nice man.
You not seen none of my BTS them? You haven't seen any of those videos? So,
I saw you.
what me do?
Why you do it, John girl?
What me do?
You don't do nothing, brother.
Oh, why me break up with you?
Yeah, why did you do that?
You cheat.
Black women don't cheat. I told you already.
You want manage your life? Oh.
Just keep try keep it real, you know what I mean? Bag of things go on. Yeah, pick up to all the people them in the world, you see? Bag of things go on, you see it? Yeah, pick up to all of the people them, you know? Bag of things go on. Pull up.
So you go pop the line. Which I feel phone love freeze like. When I go on with people, I want to see if they settle down. Settle down. Come on, settle down. Why this time when I phone I can't freeze? A hole in 15. So that them say when it go in another one?
Alright.
Them normally say hole in 1. Show me 15, that's something I want to hole in 15.
15 green.
15 who?
Green.
Green. I wish I knew that.
Alright, yo.
John Mustard, why this
So them have other something like this over the side too?
Talbot. 18 and
So we have 15, so 3 more up there, so 3 more them up there, so.
Our family, get it straight and direct. Me and Uno are family. Me and Uno sister and Uno and my brother. Me and Uno ma, Uno and my ma. The whole of we are family because we are God pick name. Big up on yourself. Bless up all the time. Coming from straight from Candy.
Go on again. Show them again. Show them. She can't flick, guys. She can't flick. She can't boom flick. A big people are going to them and something and say, no, say happy, then happy. Watch out. Where did you learn to do that? Where's where I learned to flick?
Country, where I grew up, Betheltown.
Betheltown?
Yeah. Country girl.
She nice, you guys. Look on her.
Yeah.
Boom flick.
So one next flicker that's in country.
Find it? Oh no, she can't put her foot behind her head. I can't do that for her.
That's on the grass.
I best place to do it.
Make sure I find the smooth grass.
On the smooth grass? Can't do it on the smooth grass. So come now.
Some minute they come.
Okay. Should I come? What kind of trick I got? She never know said already I record. So this is the new actress, new part. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Oh my god, can you get that part out?
Why? They look nice.
Hi, hello, my name is Carlanda Gordon. Am I hearing you?
Carolina, yeah, am I here? Very clearly.
But you can just call me Carly, if that's okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hartford.
You know, I have family from Hartford.
Yeah.
But anyways, now we have no time. The sun have a time. Alright, cool. So the members down there, they have some questions for you. My intention is to have you understand the kind of people they're on. Them say, this is what they said, you know. After I say, you see them question, what do you think them question I say about you? And them say, oh no, them just don't follow everybody else's question. So, like me, I know, if you don't want to answer one question, then don't answer the question.
I pass?
Them I can pass.
Alright, good.
Alright. But also, you gotta tell me who you think asks what question.
Really? I don't know all of them.
Alright, cool. I will see how it
Or maybe
works.
too much personality with the questions yet.
I gotta tell you who me think though, although I know who, I gotta just try to mess with you where that is concerned. So, the first question, what is your sexual orientation?
What does that even mean?
If you're straight, gay,
I'm definitely straight.
I mean it's diverse, nothing wrong if people gay, right?
But I
know,
prefer the opposite.
Yeah, I know, but just like some people might think that question, or well, what do you want to know about people's sexual orientation?
No, I just think everybody have a choice. Everybody's entitled to their choice. Mine is just the opposite sex.
So what do you think? Ask that question.
It's the first question on the paper?
My first question on the paper. You know, I really don't remember who wrote the first question though. But when them watch the video, I guess it will be exciting.
I think a female asked that.
You think a female asked this question?
Yes.
I'm not sure. I know a female asked the second question, which is, are you a virgin?
I'm a...
Are you a virgin? I am guys. I am a virgin.
Yes, I'm a virgin.
We're all virgins here. Alright? So next question. Do you have a boyfriend? Mom answer it for you?
Like, yes, just answer, yeah.
Yes, she have a boyfriend.
Okay.
You think question not boring anyone? Boy. And you know, I said to them, say, I think these questions say a lot about personality, but then say no, because of the first question, them just not follow through. But people ask some other question when in line, it would be like, what does not belong?
Good.
But then, me I look on them right now and they're kind of uncomfortable for me. I don't know how them are treated over there, so.
Just go
Over there, number 4.
Okay.
Describe your type and your sex life. Me couldn't answer that question either. Like, we don't know how to answer that question.
Describe my type.
Probably the type of person that interesting, I guess. How nobody now ask something about acting?
Exactly, I'm like...
No, people have questions here that kind of related to acting. But anyways, describe your sex life, describe your type and your sex life.
Remember, I'm a virgin, so I don't have a sex life. I'm just attracted to ambitious people.
You're going to like the last questions.
Yes, I'm attracted to somebody who's ambitious. I'm attracted to persons who are goal-driven. And I'm actually, you know, some people them just say, I want this, I want that. And then you have the others that actually do.
I want to come out there, son. I come out there, son. I sweat a lot. So, alright, good. So what number are we at?
You were asking me at my type. I like ambitious people who can get things done.
Alright, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how freaky are you?
I'm a virgin.
I don't know what this means. She's a virgin.
Know what that means.
You see how all on the question get messed up because you know I ask a sensible question. That's some weird kind of people. Between me and some weird kind of people. People you can love but then they're seriously weird. As you notice, I'm mostly female, so you notice a lot of these questions are coming from females, which kind of
is weird.
Weird.
It
is. Weird.
Okay.
Alright. Nice. Number 6. Is acting something you want to pursue long term?
Yes. I've always been dramatic.
Right.
Whether it be that I'm on set or I'm off. I'm expressive. And so I tend to, I don't know, I'm just always, it's like I'm always in character mode.
Really?
Because me just always express, me just expressive.
I'm not nervous, guys. The time hot, right?
You sure?
You just at the time. I have your on record now, so the time hot.
Yep.
My hot is not nervous. My hot. How long me have video? Sure, I don't nobody ask. Boy. Number 7, what is your favorite? Whatever. She's a virgin, so I don't think she has a favorite. That alright?
Whatever. What does whatever represent in the question?
What is your favorite sex position?
Oh.
Moving on.
Moving on.
So this person asks, "Will you marry me?" So just guess who asked that question?
You?
No. That's one. How many answers one ago? I'd ask this question, but
Will you marry me? I don't know who'd ask that though.
Guess and then think about the answer that I give the person.
A brand?
Alright, if I hear me assume to ask the question, what would your answer be?
I'm going to be very kind and I'm going to say
No. Yeah.
Nobody knows the future.
I don't think if a guy gets on his knees and say, "Will you marry me?" and you say, "Honey, no one knows the future."
I think he got the answer right there.
Alright, cool.
It's a no.
I never say O'Brien, we just
No, I'm saying
yeah,
it's a no.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Who asked?
No. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Graduating.
You're studying now?
Yes.
What are you studying?
I'm studying quantity surveying.
I don't know what that is.
Quantity surveying is a surveyor. Well, it's the act of surveying projects, land. It has to do with construction.
Alright, cool.
So I estimate project costs and all that.
But I try to think how that time to acting. Yeah. I'm
versatile.
Oh.
I'm very charismatic.
May I ask based on the kind of person I be? So
no, I'm versatile. I grade myself and I think that I'm talented because I have more than one talent.
alright. Not to stray too much, but could you may I try to find one character and ask if
impersonate?
Yeah, impersonate.
I'm not good at impersonation. Let's see.
Alright.
If it's not good, you're gonna have to take it out. You have to promise that.
Alright, yeah, definitely.
Okay.
A loyal wife. Those things are hard to find right now. So just give. Well, then I think you kind of look like that already.
I can select Tiffany. How do you show those people? I can do that.
I want to hook about that boring.
So me say.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the boy yard. You won't believe where the boy live. I'm sorry.
That's good. We think that good. On a grade there in the comments. 1 to 10. So alright, this you just tell you where do you see yourself in 5 years. Describe your ambitions. I think you answered that earlier.
My ambitions?
In the you were describing your type.
Oh, that's what I mean? Or they're asking about me?
No, I was just saying, based on your answer for this question, goal-driven persons to kind of describe your ambitions. You're a go-getter kind of person? Huh?
Sometimes I'm reserved.
Mm-hmm.
My ambitions, I want to be successful. I want to be rich. I don't
have enough money then?
Me just want comfortable.
Okay.
You know? Because...
You don't want one man to do that for you though? Or you just want to do it for yourself?
This is the thing. I will accept help.
No, not help, As in one man, I do it for you because you're a woman.
But the man can't dead and only lad know who more left in assets too. Me no want to be drop back in one place because me that wholly and solely depend on somebody. Someone want to have something to myself that has my name underneath it. In the event that something should happen, I'm still safe.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
Good ambitions.
Yeah.
So, last question. I'm going to tell you who asked this question. I still want to ask you, I still want to guess who asked. Would you have my baby? Him never ask it like that. When him says, you that breed for me, that's how him say. But I just nice it up right also. Hold on.
I don't know who the person is, so I can't give an answer.
Just guess first. So it's definitely not O'Brien.
I'm not ready to have a baby.
But the person who asked the question wanted to ask this one first.
But isn't this unfair to me? Because I don't know who the person
Yeah, I know that is the whole point of it. It's supposed to be unfair to you.
Okay, so no, I will not marry you, and no, I cannot have your baby.
See, you answer the marry me question. So, nobody where you see, excluding myself, of course, me adjust the fly upon the wall or so. Nobody where you see. So, nobody where you see so far. Nothing if you want baby daddy like appearance. Just
I don't
appearance.
want a baby daddy.
Just everything you know, and baby daddy, husband, because the husband is still the baby daddy, right?
He's a father.
Yeah. The father. So nobody physically, would I say, alright, you look good now on picture frame.
Oh my god.
Just guess. I don't think nobody heart a break.
It's gonna be hard because as Mr. Mina judge after physical features.
No, seriously, but this unfair to you because I told the person that they would not be exposed, but me I expose them if you guess one person. See? Everybody that is here, I say, listen, I show them my face on the camera and I said, you have a question for this face, write it right or so. See? You're not thinking unfair for them to ask these kind of questions of you. It's unfair, unfair. You think me about but the show must go on. So, guessing time. Who asked this question?
You know, sir, why I'm going to choose this person because I'm about my friend here.
The sex not exempt, you know. So it could be a female.
So, but I can't.
No, adopt or surrogate business or something, I don't know.
I want to adopt kids, you know? Just not with a female.
So if it's a female, but guess though.
This is crazy.
You know, I think you have one guess in your head. Alright, I'm tell them, where's my question? This is my question. Is acting something you want to pursue long term? That was my question.
I don't even want to call a name. I'm just saying this.
If this person is brave enough to ask this question, they should be ready for whatever answer is coming.
Okay.
I think so. And me around this show,
I'm not ready to have a baby. Not now.
Alright, so.
Me think Richard asks this?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure Richard question.
Yeah.
But you can't. When I show you, just
be blank?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Remember some people question. I'm going to expose them.
But who asked this?
The man in the ropes.
I don't really want to say that, but then we could.
Seriously? So fast you pick up that?
Richard
You're a good judge of character. You're a good judge of character.
Me just be smart and sorry.
So this one was from the Rasta lady, the brown Rasta lady.
Okay.
Who asked this again? The young lady that's right there, smoking.
Okay.
You got this one correct. Shh. You got this one correct.
I don't even remember what I said, but I do remember.
Yeah. What is it? I don't know who asked this. I don't remember who asked this.
That person must be hella disappointed.
Oh, this. You can't guess who asked this? This was a female. It's connected to this. Alright, so I think that's it. Do you have any question for the entire? We give you some time to think about it. So one question for everybody.
One question for everybody?
We have to make it a little bit challenging, come on.
This is crazy. I don't think I have any questions.
Like if I were to ask everyone there one question. And what I'm gonna ask them, sir?
What?
What is the goal? What is everybody collectively? What is the goal? Because first someone asks a question like, I just randomly say, ask whatever question, they say, what is this about? and it
Which
brings that to
means
mind.
that-
So, yo,
okay.
what is the goal? So, like me coming in an environment, everyone is filming, making movies, putting out content. What do you hope to achieve from all of this would be my question.
I sort of wanted to ask that, but I'm judging and assuming that everybody would it would equate to everybody wanting to be successful. So I was
Yes.
thinking that question it's rhetorical. So that's why I didn't want to ask that. Yeah, because
But we can personalize that question. So, probably that question I
Really,
can be friend as
you?
well.
Okay.
So, everybody wants to be successful, but everybody have their own personal thing.
Aspirations,
You understand?
good. Mhm.
So, like yourself, what would that be for you?
Where do I see myself?
Like in your own world, like what would be the goal, the end thing? Like at the end of the day,
Of where I am now? Well, I must learn. I must learn, either be good or bad. Nobody wants anything bad to happen. In the event that a bad happens, because this is life and the reality is bad things do happen, I want to learn from it. I don't just want to get upset or get mad and all of this.
So knowledge is the thing for at the end of the day.
Yeah. I must be able to learn, and I must be able to what's the word? I must be able to implement what I've learned.
That's good.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, settle with some knowledge. That's good.
Yeah, and I must be able to use it back. Like, why would I be learning something that I can't use?
So, in a sense, I think your question is, for all I know, what do you hope to achieve by doing this? Making movies, filming, all of that. At the end of the day, what the end game? When everything done, when you can't film no more, when you can't do everything you want to do now.
After the full stop.
Yeah, what comes after that? That is your question. So, how was it? It's our first day here, and so what in a position we put her in?
Exactly, it was very...
How was it?
It was unpredictable.
How it make you feel? Alright, forward. People are hurting it. See through ya. See who are them? So look on them. So them and them ask a question. Who are them? Them
I hope you not call me name for my question.
No, you not get exposed. Couple people get exposed, but not everybody.
Yeah.
So, may I go? No, I forgot watch the video to find out the question that you asked.
How much answer? You answer?
Yeah, man, you answer.
No!
Jano, mama, if you give me that day body, you give me a nice buzz, you know no more weed, you give me face more, like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week, I give you weed. Yesterday, I give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock, I give you weed, and just a while ago, I give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. Nah, laughing no bad man. Acha.
And keep it changed too, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? Much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on here?
They ain't a papa. I have everything, you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. Can tell you one, you see, one youth, you see, man. Me I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see, man, going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you have to put your thing together still, because you want now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. First, I really come up short. I open another red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open another red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressurize when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? At first, you're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father was a good man, you know. And he was a good to we went out young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know how to deal with it. And you just put the rest upon that, and you know, so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. Be short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. You till you get back your money. Forward, man. You move like you don't want forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers what pay me. Customers what take out them money said time, when me take out the weed said time. You need to come off a sidewalk. You know see what they get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want the weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, what the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out of it for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you, what the past. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never say selling weed is a career either, but it's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life now affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to so I smoke weed. Sit down and I will have vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. I think they go short, you know. Yeah, man, because watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man, a good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, man. I tell you, she good, man. You when I say no Peter, man, she good. When I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I feel
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it. Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello?
Listen me, I never that me call on you so fast still, you know. The people them show done too quick, so I don't need to explain myself. And them,
Listen, don't take it up with the car.
Good evening, people. You know, it's Donovan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So is this actress is the problem why you don't get a longer film on the...
Yes, my boss. I true.
The director.
She's shy, but listen, nothing wrong with the director.
Okay, my general. Alright, my general.
The director is doing his work. You understand?
Yo, look on the yard the way I get. Look on the yard the way I get.
I've been done.
So, when I tell no lie upon you, are you say the people, are she do it.
If you're not tell a lie, look for me. You're not tell no lie. Swear.
I don't know
subscribe to my channel.
Okay. Tell them again.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nicecon, Nicecon. That is my YouTube channel. Also, I'm an acrobat.
Oh, blur not. I do that for your channel, do not you?
Yeah.
Alright, people don't hear that, so.
Can I go over there?
I don't know, say yo. Go on there. I don't know, say I can go over there, go check out. I can't manage it. I don't have the heart, my boss. Because anytime somebody feel like they go drop on the neck and stuff. But definitely go over there, go check out the channel, people. And this time, I tell you no. Well, I don't know where I go. I want to do the long movie then. Soon get some long movie. In the meantime, big up on yourself, like the video, and make it this far, definitely like and subscribe for your first time. Until then, we soon up, click on more.
Look how long me tell about my business, eh? Look how long me tell you me want the ear, eh? I can't talk about look a bit on the ear. God knows me can't bother with you, you know, Kyle. Me can't bother with you. 2 or 3 months me tell about my thing, you know. You're supposed to save and put down money if you feel me something, you know. John, you see all you? You see if I win some woman, you get burnt till you're weak.
Bill, remember say food me have to buy no man, the bill them have to pay no man. And I like say now get here, you know. Just can't buy the one right now. Because we have bills power with. Them baby.
Imagine, me of all person, you came here go embarrass me, eh? You know you make me feel shame up a stage a while ago. Jesus Christ, you don't know them the girl up there, so you know. When they don't take for me name and go scandal, so me man can come a shop if you buy expensive ear and you can't pay for it.
Remember so we have one little big kids in the bathroom, you know. I have to sort out that, you know. Plus they don't know we have look at other things to do in our house, you know. See all the fridge, the fridge even freeze. You have to start out doing something, and I like say, you can't get here, baby. You just can't get the one there right now. You know me love the same way. A roadside with the pony and make a scene, baby. Really?
Love can't put care upon the head.
But I know that baby, just hold out the man. You can sit by and go on a little bit. And I like say, you can't get here, you know. Everything is alright, baby, man. The school, man.
A matter of fact, me don't want it, me need it. And anyway, me not get it, me go in a thing. If you think I lie, me I tell you, watch here. Tired of everything, looking at the place, eh? Looking at the house or in the house there. Look at the place, eh?
Babes, you know if you go and say, you know, until I say everything is alright, you know. Look how you're going out the road, baby. Things are just take a little time now. I make sure you say alright, baby. Anything you ask, you go get it. Just calm down now, man. I know you didn't want to hear, man, but thing alright, man. Give me a little time, baby. And make sure you say everything alright for you. You hear that? Love the same way you're doing it, you're going, you know. And if you're going somewhere.
From me come here, so from me there with you, I saw the place there until now. And you still tell me if you hold on. Hold on power. You don't bother with them in life, you know. I'm tired of
You're going so. You touch, you know.
What?
Everything is alright, you know. Just give me a good time, you know. Have a good faith now, you know. Yeah, move so. You know me love you. I just think kind of rough for me right now. I mean, I try, you know. So we just been out of my house now, baby. Hold on. You take the flag of the babes.
If you want to speak, I know, coming on, I'm going to tell them I call you.
Hello? Hello? Yes, sir. Boy, not really going good for me, I know, in my general. Everything I'm feeling, man, but I soon make a payment, man. I soon sort it out, yeah? Just give me a little time.
Why didn't you come and tell me that you have some problem?
Like sometimes, you know, man, we have money, you know, full of pride, you know, man. Jaja.
Well, this is an organization, and either you call it down to the bank quickly, or you're going to have to use your papers and leave some asset or something. So, do the right thing, okay, Mr. Coyle?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
3 months, I ain't not paying nothing for loan. Look at the place, you know, fix up. Worse, you got embarrass me for station shop. You know what I'm fool you take me for? Fool you take me for? What on power? No, you take me for one big idiot. No, ramping. Look here. You see everything in here, so? Remember, say I feel me money buy it now. You know, not even this year you can't buy put in the house. So the dresser, the fan, and the chair over there, so plus me iron. Me come back for everything.
Me know.
No worry yourself. Let go me back.
You really just do that, baby?
Take people for
you. Love you, baby, you Musa.
Love? Excuse me. Go love yourself right now. A better life you want.
Sandy, really?
I need a better life.
Sandy, where you go? Sandy. God. Sandy, baby.
What a good man. Yeah, I'm Jay, what go on? Alright, yeah man, you can get the bima for the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand? Yeah. Don't worry yourself man. There's a 2 errands for run, collect 2 rent from some people in the park, right yourself. And then check back on it and show it you. Alright? Alright, my general. Morning, Fallon. You have the money?
Rent money again, sir? As me pay rent who?
Listen, my man, I tell you, I'm going to change the rent date.
Me no.
Your whole rent. And like, me never tell you, I change the date. Fallon, me tell you, I move up the date. So you have to pay rent now. Did I not tell you? It's like I didn't tell you. I tell you that the rent will be earlier for this month.
Me want to go. That's why I put it at the last of the month. So every last of the month, me pay the rent. So me have time for the rest of the month if you can find the money.
Are you a rent me place or me a rent you place? You need to look into that.
But me still have to figure out how to pay the rent, how to get the money in.
I don't busy though you get the money, Fallon. You just get the money in time. I'm just gonna give you 2 more days.
2 more days, sir?
2 more days, Fallon.
2 more days no work so with rent. And business
rent.
place, people don't rent place like that. Plus, you have me in the back. Yes.
That is for security, Fallon. You have no reason to go there. That is not your concern. That is my security. Listen, my man. You're falling short, you know. You're really falling short. And I see people coming in and out. You're making money and you're falling short.
That means you're watching my business.
Yeah, watch me place.
You're watching my business. Mother Jesus. 2 days.
Alright.
2 days.
Don't worry yourself. Today I went.
You figure out it, you know.
Today I Tuesday. You see by Thursday, just make sure you have the money.
I will find it. By the hook or the crook, I will find it. I can't take the stress and problem with them rent. Them are dirty landlord.
Can't bother with them tenant.
Not even want to fix up the place. Dirty landlord. No, that not include tip. 15 for acrylic. Yeah. Current gone in, I mean, no hot water. But unless you want the cold water, I still work with it, but you know, you want your little pampering. Missy J. I don't tell Missy JPS. I swear say I cut them a cut off like, oh, me Bridget. I mean, I run this at time, you know. Me never did I run this at time, yeah. So I'm going good girl in the pan today. So you not do no nails today, no money, no pay, nothing.
What's that? You know, say I want money, me come borrow for you, do.
Borrow money, you know, them tell me. A pandemic, this is a pandemic, woman. You know, them tell me you want to borrow money.
I know me broke.
So if you have borrowed, how you pay back?
I find a way to try to pay back money.
How you find a way? And you not work? So, mama, you know no man?
Well, you know, so I have a look at one link still, but I just see just come and go and I'll do look at thing and something, but...
Alright, you have a link. Let me tell you one style. You see when you and him get together again? Tell him say you're pregnant. Tell him say you're pregnant. And the man nowadays they don't want no pitney, you know. You hear me say? So just him will give you one money if you go dash away. So you just use that the money there and do what you want to do. You hear me say? Cause me not no money for none of them tell me a pandemic. The pandemic act. You have to know if you choppy line. You look so good. Cause you look good like Naomi Campbell. Walk. If you start drive.
You know say I true, girl. You know say I true, I go try, man. I go try.
Do it. It will work out. You have to work.
I don't know, say the thing that me can't check off a door, but they say not having or something, so. We will link up, man. Me I just, you know, never go.
Alright. See you.
Alright, later.
Later. Can't take them and sit here. Landlord come. Girl come. Friend come. We can't take it. Too much problem. Too much pressuring. Me there go and
Jaja.
Yeah, brother.
Listen, me there, me G.
You know, you know, for the item where you bring come to sell, brother, I want good piece of food to get feet in the dog, so you know, the piece of money there for you. Yeah, man, know yourself, man. Right, that's something with yo. You see another way we can make a peaceful food, you know, but yo, when any man come link me, man, I would talk about this, you understand?
Me link you later, sir.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, we Sunday I come for now. Hey babe. What happened to you? Make a sound so.
Yeah, girl, you don't know, say me left the one Kyle him. Me have to left up, me pack up my things and left, man. Pay things are gone.
You and Kyle?
How are you there?
Me do peppers are going normal. Which way they? Then forward now. Forward man, forward. Me there. Alright, do you do man? Forward, me there. You can't tell me how where they go on with you and Kyle. Just come. Alright. That's weird.
Sunday, wait there.
I don't know how to go.
Yeah, down there town now go.
You know, see, there's something you want to buy down there for me do, but I want to come up here, so back.
You know, so I not think I come back up here right now. Nothing so at all. By the way, what you did want?
Pregnancy test.
Mama?
Pregnancy test.
For yourself?
Yeah.
Give me your money.
Sandy! Come, how are you go? You don't got my peppers, girl. So tell me now, girl, what happened? Your son terrible on the phone. I mean, know that's not you. What go on?
You know, so I have to left the boy. I left him, man. I have to pack up my something and left this man.
Joke, yeah, make a kind of Kyle, you're doing something good, so yeah,
Look here, that went good when the money did there. The money when did it when he might do that good. No money no did it again.
Girl, we'll have to. You must want something to drink.
Yeah, man, want cran water.
Alright, we'll have
This a kind of wash good, man. Yeah, man. I style of youth, style me, you know. Hey.
Girl, right now I don't know if you don't know have money for paying the rent. Your life pressure me right now, come and see me to go a bank or borrow one loan or something. And you hold up then I get on call. I put up on hold. Somebody will come. Yes girl. What?
Actually, yeah, me I call tell say, you know, say me borrow your wig do, me I go in that town go mash one car, and come back.
Really, that you ask me about girl, I can't take you wig and go on. Just take what you want and just go on. But I want important car right now, so yeah.
Yeah man, alright.
Alright, cool. Right. Hey, I'm a friend calling me.
Come now, drink and tell me yours. But, you know, come to think about it, be here all we have to say. And to be honest, you know, Sunday, I tell you the truth, but I get the bakes.
So make you go on so?
Sound like, say, the man did have everything, you know, I remember, say, you used to tell me how he at and all these things and money are run. But to me, it sound like as the money kind of they go low, you know how much you're ready to cut. Like a gold
You look
digging
like you not listen, or you not hear what me I say, good. You hear me just tell you, say? Actually, you know, look here, you might see me, you know, and think that everything good. Recently, I pay mackerel the boy I feed me pan. Mackerel go, mackerel come.
Them you tell me say, good up, Kyle, you talk so good about. They feed you for mackerel.
Him same one.
And then, oh, so that's the reason why you know make the guy horse, you know me tan.
But me couldn't care you come this so. You know what he said? You always tell me say you want to come know which part me live. And me never care. Girl, you don't want to see in the house. Shame.
Joke yeah, make a kind of Kyle you're doing something good, so yeah.
Right now, you look like say I sex you want him, want me sex for hungry belly, you know. Me no want no gas.
You're rough. But at least we know so when I got a party, you know if we go back go look no man. Because you see the nice, fine figure and you take up yourself boy you want that the man there now. See it there, swell on you.
So clear, yeah, you rub that
No man, you know what I mean, friend. But I truth you know me plain. You understand?
You know, me come to stay neither, you know. Because I have to go back down to my people them. So me am going to make you know what is what between me and that boy there.
Nobody begs with me with that. But just when they talk my mind. But me know how the family things stay and the fact that you go live with man and all the wait all of that anyways. You guys your man you don't go live with man and sit now go back a family you one bag of drama out there on you. So if you want no link to no place for rent, you can make one link for you. Does it mean?
Alright, me call you Fanny.
Okay.
Talk bad someone. Talk bad.
Chaplain.
How about? Yeah, man, be there. You say, be a C-star. Go on easy.
No see a long time I don't see you, do more say you know.
You want to see me?
Come here, no see me miss you. I want to see you. From what day me I think about you and so.
You see, you miss me. Alright, so look here now. So just meet me in the tour. Meet me in the tour. Yeah, me pick you up on this.
Alright, cool.
Like something not going on in the idea, yeah. But me wanna sweet me up so. No, let me kiss.
Can't be there no man. Being awesome, I miss you.
Oh man.
Me don't want to go up at your hotel, but it's too far right now. We can go to beach park.
Yeah, of course.
know, say, a long time, me and link on something, but right now, I don't even know how I did miss you. Come like you scarf me out.
Oh, so not really that much. I'm busy, you know. What does that mean?
I can't do something right here now, right here, sir.
Of course. Right now. And that's me put this a condom here. Shit, the condom boss. Officer smiling. You know what take place out of some?
You know, sir, they are pre-war about me.
You don't really know what
I get the full info, and I mean the blueprint not really.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Do you know what's happening here?
No.
John Star. Everly. What go on? Do you know what's happening here?
Right, this is making the best movies in the universe. Right, yes, sir.
Yeah, but specifically that scene I may ask about though.
But just come.
Okay.
I'm new to this specific scene.
Okay.
Something else.
Well, what more you up to from when?
Yeah.
You just there?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some.
You buy more room? Can I get some? More?
But just young cup.
Yeah, I love how it tastes. You mix it perfect for me. Just carry.
You know, I made a rum mixture.
So my property there, I always have my name on it, you know.
Hey, property this?
So I see my name on her. Look good, see if I see my name on her.
Shakaberry. What do you make a cornstone?
Hey people, we are going to see go see what I go on with them people. That's all. Officer don't know what I go on. Friend here don't know what I go on either. Missy here. Boy, they ain't hot in that place though.
I tell you, when you come on. What do you have to carry back?
We're going up there, guys. So God, man always not have no shot. It ain't big good. So how I go on, sir? Where I feel?
What a movie are you for?
What you say? Hey, we follow them until we find out where I go on, people. Because you figure out where I go on it still, you know? Alright. We are follow them, people.
Come on there.
Come on, don't you see me? Shakaberry come. Alright, so we are going to find out where I go on, people. In the meantime, just click like on the video and definitely subscribe. No thing go. December, so may have milk cup here as well. Oh, yeah, wait, man, I'm curious. Come on! I'll get Kemar. Who we get hot? Come, we want to talk to you a little bit. Watch out.
Talk to me.
No, G's and P's. Behave yourself, woman. Anyways, long time I not see you. What have you been up to? How the...
Since the last time we spoke, I don't know if you remember.
Upon your birthday.
I get a call for a job. I did the interview and they called me. I know I'm a front office agent at Sandals Negro.
So how is that been? How has that been?
It
for you?
has been horrible.
So,
but guess what?
Come do some acting, man.
Which acting?
Yeah, do some more news reading and anything there.
I me come first still.
So you gonna do some of that today?
Yeah man, I'm going to do it.
But Everly, you're not dressed like a news lady, you know.
I have my jacket. Me not talk but no pit but a pit no for the man. Me have like jacket for over my shoulder.
So you have your suit up thing already?
Right.
So I got suit up this evening before you go?
I'm just gonna put my jacket on.
Alright, so we are going to see our people suit up. And one next reminder for, as a matter of fact, you tell them, subscribe and like.
Poems by Everly Graham.
And yes, so too.
Richard Brown Films and
yeah, so that video where them I watch, them for subscribe, yes, so too.
please subscribe to this video.
Yes, thank you.
That's Akeem right there.
Yo, you're going to make one bad thumbnail, you know. I swear them all click like worries. Just give them 2 poses now. 2 bad boy pose. Boy. One more. 2 boy. No, sir. Richard gonna have hard feet. Later. Yo. How you drive going?
This is the hungry thing.
I'm not here curious as I need there now, so.
Same, sir?
They must want to best of the act.
You come right now?
I don't know. Where you gonna buy food?
Hunger.
Where you gonna get food?
It's been hungry.
You rob somebody there? Alright, where you get food and come back then?
Yeah.
Alright, go get food. So people will get food in case curious not stop. We up there so we get some food and come back.
Agent.
I not top video, you know, Everly. Not top video. Because I know so they go love you in this video. You go hear them ask, who is that lady?
They know me. You did an interview with me before.
Yeah, but I saw new people I know every time I subscribe.
New people now?
All the while, they always
You
are
didn't
subscribe.
tell me?
Yeah, because always I tell them to subscribe, so I always have new people that subscribe. By the way, people, a couple of them didn't even show me earlier. A courtesy
My best friend.
Miss Everly here.
I got.
I made that wait on. Come on, road.
Are you married?
Who married?
I'm married too.
If who married?
Alright, that's
How we are actually them married? You still not drive it? Road. Later. So them are my boss, you say I want to get food, but them are shoot. Alright, straight up. Shakaberry people and I know I didn't get your name, miss. What's your name? Oh, I still don't know your name, people. Altander, this film. Rastaman.
So far there?
Kind of mal out, as you know.
Blood clot now.
Right now?
Too forward. We are forward go.
Talk to her.
The car was and shoot the one scene.
Selassie, right away, where forward?
Alright, Selassie, hero.
Work up before belly.
Yeah, of course.
Tragic.
Coming from afar, we have to park the car. Yeah.
Oh, guys, upon island.
So a quick shoot before food. So Alton, tell me about your plans for locks, you know. And turn real Rasta, man.
Don't have the jet. This is not a humility.
So yeah, people, big boy, I plan to make one little transformation.
Yeah, I mean, we don't want hungry. They want hungry belly Rasta now too. A Rasta now hungry, you know. Oh, too much food there. A Rasta hungry.
Selassie, I know. I
know. There to the limit.
Frost your blows and skirt. Watch him.
You want out? I'm not so brave. Where do we carry? No, no, road. Come on, carry. Right now, your bag, can your bag roll up? Some things in it? No. You should have one bag. Alright. Hold up.
Where are you going?
Huh?
Where are you going?
What is that? So you go carry bag, give me bag. What you are coming with it? You are coming with everything. You are alone, you are coming with everything. So you are coming in the bag and now. You are in the road. Me in the road, man. I will arrest, man. You are coming with the car now. You have to go to the road. You go to the car, the car will come. Me and say, yo, here what? You hungry? I guess I may see if I can get some food. But the boy come out there, the car and pull over the side of the road or whatever. She come. She goes, where? You can't imagine so. I say, hungry man, hungry. So they have sitting there where you have. I say, yo, come out, take them and sit and come out the road. You can't come out the road. That's it, man. That's not really a showcase for people. Yeah? Yeah, come see everything we are doing. Hungry is a food I told. A food I told, you can't cross it. Eh? You go for candy. When you for candy with it, you will take it from there. Yes. You just push out. Mummy later. I lost money having just to go and go look for girl and save her life. Yeah, but you get your chiropractor and medicine. That's why you know all about it. In the last man, when I didn't know you remember save that in your bag, right? Take out it and give me that man. You struggle with 2 bags get one. You know what is the have it to them alive. And you're gone. Hungry man. You come out that car now.
Yes. Ready? Come out the road, man. Let me say that.
Yeah, come back. Take us some food. Food. Food, man. Food. Hungry. You know that food. Hungry, man. Hungry. Food. Come on, Tyrone. Come on, Tyrone.
I say this boss is saying hungry too. Boss is saying hungry too. Man say no come out the road.
Hold on. You been here? Come on.
Come out the road, king. How are you the road? Hungry daddy. How much you want to buy?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So good afternoon. What time of day is it now? I'm not going to waste no time. I find one nice young lady to talk to, so we're inquisitive in our business. Because she's a part of the Richard Brown Films team. So we're going to fast in our business, find out what we can about her. So there she is, people. The beautiful Amanda. So Amanda, where are you from, first of all?
I'm from Clarendon.
Where in Clarendon?
Maybe in Clarendon, I stay in Maypin sometimes, and I play in Jamesdale sometimes.
Alright, because I know your friends are Clarendon, all of people over here say Clarendon bad place. So, I just go allow the person who come from Clarendon to tell me about them experience with Clarendon. So, make we begin right there. Tell me about Clarendon, where
Clarendon
you live?
no bad. Clarendon no bad.
Hold on. Oh boy, me wouldn't defend my place, so, but me different. But I guess everybody else are different in place regardless. But
every time when you keep up the topic.
But alright, hold on now. Clarendon don't bad. Zine, tell me some of my good things about Clarendon.
Good things them.
Talk loud so them can hear.
Good things about Clarendon now. I enjoy Clarendon, peace. To me, when you say everybody no bad. I live at one place, quiet and safety. I'm not in a trouble, I'm not in a wrongdoings. So, if anybody will not do that, you're not going to find it's a bad place.
Alright then, but you would agree so Clarendon are one of them places where we have be a sickhead people. You don't agree with that though, not true?
Clarendon's a no
Me can't beat it. Your place you have to defend your
Clarendon
place.
a no nonsense place. I just that body. I don't want bad place.
Alright, cool. Well, come on for the Clarendon thing now. So, movies. How long have you been passionate about acting and doing movies?
Passionate. From high school days.
What high school was that?
I attended Edwin Allen High School.
Edwin Allen?
Yes, the Edwin Allen High School.
So them have like drama class and them something?
Yes, theater art.
So you have no training or no program for acting on you usually go on?
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about that now.
Normally go JCDC for acting, go JCDC for dancing. Edwin Allen have a whole combination of things to itself. One of the best school, Edwin Allen.
Alright, that is debatable because mother said man in school are the best school now. Me have to defend my school, I'm going to tell you.
Yeah, idiot.
Me have to defend my school. Alright, tell me what makes your school Edwin Allen so special. What makes Edwin Allen the best school in Jamaica? Tell me. May I get an opportunity to tell me?
Edwin Allen, they have a great team, a great staff to help all kids and every kids. You understand? Everything combined at Edwin Allen. Opportunities at Edwin Allen. When you go, you take up your book and you have a talent, you have a skill, then push you. Then you just make you stay at one place.
Alright, so you see how the staff at Edwin Allen now make Edwin Allen the best high school. Alright, cool. Me would say the reason why man in school are the best is because not just the culture, as in so be a white pitney used to go there and the history and we don't beat it, we have to defend the thing. So, alright, you started at Edwin Allen. After there, you do any kind of acting apart from with Richard Brown?
No, I didn't.
So, last question now, before I make you just go down in I think tell about your Instagram and all of that. How has the experience been for you with Richard Brown? How has the experience been from you just got here until now?
The experience was amazing. Everybody work as one, you don't feel left out. You just come like one family. You're comfortable, you can be yourself because in acting you just can't be yourself. And you can be yourself in a Richard Brown film.
I like how that sound. I think we have one last question. Oh, your Instagram. Tell your Instagram.
You can follow me on IG on Jessica Thomas 3695.
Alright, I hear that people. So I don't know if I left out no question. Oh, you have one man? No people want to know that.
If me have one man,
yeah.
Man shot. Me don't have no man now. Jamaica man just
You're single now?
Yeah, single.
What? Me knows you know. Why you single?
Oh, Jesus Christ. I go on and business no man.
Me not going further than that. I just want to know, as me certain people that I watch, want to know why you're single.
Single because I'm single. I'm in a relationship.
Alright, Amanda, but I'm pressure you no longer. Thank you for coming out here with me. Like people and see you hug me up. I'm going to get a nice hug up from Amanda. The nice background. And you plan to come back on some acting?
Of course, most definitely.
She'll leave today, so I'm going to miss her already. You make no friends? Tell them about the friend you make.
Meet Bieber.
You meet Rastafari. Tell them about Bieber.
Bieber straightforward. Otherwise, as Eve, straightforward. Jovial. You can't run Bieber and you have one face like this. You get no problem.
But differently do you know, sometimes I can't stand her. Sometimes I can't stand her.
If you can't stand her, you sit her because you have to just live with it or you're dead with it.
Wait a second, I can't stand her, I sit her.
You sit her. If you can't stand her, you just sit her.
I love her, man. I IG that. Bieber, big up yourself. So, when I hear from the nice Amanda, how long she has loved acting, where all that I come from, and hold on there. Pull that something upon me there. Let me see who this is calling me. Mr. Richard Brown himself. What you say now, Mr. Brown?
What's that about say?
Up a golf course. Yeah, alright, we're soon forward now. So, Mr. Richard Brown on the phone, people. I don't want to bust a game. So, thank you. Yeah, I do one video, but we are going to use the night same. Can you call me and I make live video? Alright, we are forward right now. Mr. Brown can't hurry me. I not go nowhere. Right, that's how we are stay. Tell them to subscribe, Amanda.
Can.
Tell them to subscribe to Akin. Then we do it
Yes,
if you tell them.
subscribe to Akin.
And like the video, yeah.
Share, comment, support. Just support the team. Everybody I trying people.
And we'll get some banger photos video right here so you know before you go. So look. How that look?
Right there.
Yeah. So tell them boy, come now, come back from the camera. See you next time. A joke. And thank you people, thank you for 3,000 plus subscribers. Don't worry on yourself. Me have entertaining stuff coming up. I don't want to say full length movies because I don't tell you how that go in our previous videos, but stay tuned for some entertaining, immersive content later.
Night come, can't go on my bed enough. So what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet you 10.
Let's see it.
Check. Check, you really check this up. Everything now.
Alright, let me see what it is. We out.
Time.
2 pairs. This is where I've been fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games.
What? What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm gonna run with truth or dare, you know. You sure I can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you wanna go first then? Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know you're that goes so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they forward yourself, you'd have put it on them? Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes? Papi, alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna sound like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for 620x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason? The devil's pitney himself? May I do it still? Alright, do you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? Dare. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with who?
Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George. I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this is for next time. We'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor. Is this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital. I just had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decide to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know I say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking at next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You wanna have a good time? A good time I gonna get. Meanwhile, we wait on the food. I get to know each other. How you like the bus stop? That was amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember some have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Boy, I have to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. I have to tell you something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what the f? It was just fun. It was just fun and games, and it was all over. But I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean it was just fun? It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No, I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment, but it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! You're crazy.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house and there's no food. So I'm kinda stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple days now, so can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything is
okay? It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
I can believe the Brad actually put me out. Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
Oh, now go. Big up on yourself. Now, yes, I know it done too quick, but this is the longest one so far, and because we get a little bit more support each time, yeah, we try to limit the amount of people that we use because, as I say, the resources. So, yeah. Me now, I tell yourself, for your first time over here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you're there for a long time, just, you know, leave a like on the video. And if you're your first time to leave a like, do all the good things them to make the video get more traction, so, you know, you can afford to probably turn this into a series. And until then, little more. And big up the members them. I'm encouraging more people to become members. Please, there will be a link in the description. Until now, or until then, soon a little more. Yes. Action.
I got a dare to get.
No, yeah.
Say, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Action.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go.
Action.
Yeah.
Action. Action.
So, you know, natural.
Wait, that was too quick. That was too quick. Yeah, that was too quick, Akin.
You see what you were like, oh. Alright, in that case, truth or dare. No, it's your
turn. Ready?
So,
Yeah,
that.
So no, because if you look funny, you have to know, man.
No,
Alright.
I didn't know no.
Go make
After
sense. Go make
Papa, run for now.
No, make that stitch it.
No man, just run more and catch you run. Try now, run more. Oh, but you shot or show so. How if you show from so far?
Let me shot, man. Man, now you show up shot, no, man.
Alright, show up shot and come back.
Show that part here.
Come on, sir.
You supposed to close spin and pin up it. No, Barlow.
Come back right there. So hold him up first and then let him. Come back right there. I answer the high hand. No, Alton, come back and see the brother. Come here. Alton, just turn over to him. Start pressing to hold you up. Then you go back there. Come back there. Come hold him up.
You think I like this, right?
What? What?
No bother start. Just catch you one.
Come hold him back there. Come hold him up, Alton. I waste the time, I should back there.
I don't know, waste of time. Just get you something.
So I'm saying, you make you hold your back.
Alton.
I'll catch you close. Look how wide me shoot a while ago. Make you hold your back, no man.
Alton.
Alton.
Alton, feel good, okay, but you feel good. No, I don't feel no best. You have a feeling. Very good.
Right, Alton, tell me that's a big boy.
Big boy.
Yeah.
Big boy. I
said about that too much. So that's her name?
Yeah, but a big boy.
Yeah, big boy.
Yeah, come, get closer, come.
Tap one, someone.
No, look on it. Stop laugh. I mean, I get nervous.
You can't buy make it on. Like a blood clot.
No, but you want to look for one. Look for you.
Ready?
Come, you can talk to him. Let him come up and let him go and talk to him.
Run
If
for
you
me
don't talk to him, no, grab him back.
Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. You big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy. Big boy. Big boy. Big boy. You know, long boy, you can? You can't do it,
you have key already.
That's a key and come to me, man.
No, you're looking yourself. You're looking. You're body up, you know.
Yo, you're made dead now, you know.
You can't.
Yo, one now. When you see me now running now, where we no guy on a bomber board? I'm here there now, you know. Just here take it up.
Body,
me dead. I'm the one coming off here, you know. Yo, which can they have? I'm going to mash up around here.
Don't tell about Kira.
I tell you, mother, I'm going to mash up our candy, you know. You know me? Aye.
Flanker badness.
I let me out of
I mean,
bad.
I mean, I'm blah.
Blow.
From Flanker, yeah, bad girl.
Yeah, man. Step on, but not laugh. If you laugh, you're not going to pray that you're
flanker. They are flanker. You got flanker.
What he had? Flanker bad place, but you call it.
What he had?
We have something to say. We have body more.
Why you know? He might run. When do I want to you wanna hide never there? You wanna hide?
Yes.
When I got where are you? Yeah, when I call you, where you wanna hide for? Yo, what? When I look good? Dutty dog, me look good. When I run for me, you know, yo, I say, yo, me when the place I'm in blood, you know, I know mash up out here, you know. Yo, listen, it's fun come up now, I'm in dead. Yeah, I'm in dead. So when I see you, when I call you, you come. You need to come check me too. I don't need to come and come check for you, and more you come check for me, because I'm mash up out. Let's go.
Yeah, we don't have to walk to look for you, you know.
Yeah, man.
Body up.
We don't come make you know.
We know bad people, you know.
You ready? Body up. Let's go.
Richie, you spoon in your phone now.
Eh?
You spoon in your iPhone, making a video.
Don't catch this.
Oh, you don't successfully. Go for it.
Don't catch what?
I tell Akin don't catch this. I'll be any sins, madam.
Let's go.
What me not catch?
This,
don't catch this.
Show him a show somebody.
Large pot.
Like that.
Like dropping. I'll show you lady. Lady can't manage that now. That's time. Lift up.
Lady, me gonna give you a piece of your show. You might get it on the here.
Hold on. You know, man. Take it to them now.
We can hold it back. Because it's 20 seconds. We can hold him again. That's what I'm started back.
Go back on night. Start back over. Just take it back over. You come on the corner. Just hold it back.
You know matter, just one.
Come on the corner. Don't make no mistake. Don't make no mistake.
Yeah, better start back fire.
No, go back. No mistake. Don't make no mistake. One chop. Come. You know we are there. We need to tell her to do again.
And if he shut up my mother, grab him in the chest.
Remember the whole thing is, you know, if the hide find enough, run for you and him die now. You never say it one time, take a time, say, come run for him now. Okay, I look for your man.
Hold on. Let's run up.
Let me tell you my story. Let me tell you, we cut. No cut no time. Let's take no break. Now look for number, the 2 yards. Stop.
If you feel like you look in there, Richie, no cut. Yeah, now it's straight. So you know which direction I'm looking. Or sometimes I like it, I look by or now I look by. Wipe off your lens. Wipe off your lens.
No cut here, here, Spoony.
Don't stop record, just record. Subscribe.
Big up yourself, General.
Subscribe. Blow. Ask me what more say. So what you want to name in that movie? I must say blow. So blow, no. Blow.
Come on, ready? Ready? No loud.
Big boy. Me tell you, hold on. The van there pass.
You pass.
Like your money boy and look me.
Ready now, action.
Big boy. Come on, man. We are running, boy. Come on, man. Come. We are running, boy.
Blow. Relax the blow.
We come back now, you know. I will see me as your panel down here. Eh? Which Kira? Hey, boy. No way you do, no boy. No way you do. They come back now, you know. I what? Eh? Me don't look good. You don't see me bleach out. Me black when me left here now. They come back for you now. So try to let the girl say left. And me mash up for you in face. You know what I say? And yo, you know where me live? Don't make me come look for you. You see next time? Man, hey, know what you do. You may have relax up, bro. Don't ball to me, man. Yo, there's know what you do. You hear me say? A flank can come from me now. You're a bad girl. No rampant man. Yeah. Yeah, so try run with the girl then.
Yeah, dog, we don't have to try out. So,
I'm here now. No, so you look at me. Hug me up. Hug me back, come on. Hug me back, come on. You're walking away.
I hold on and sing.
Yeah. Come on.
Alright.
Send me a shot. Yo, you're coming here. No, later back for me.
Yo. I'm here there now, you know. So you and that the girl and no more relationship. I'm here there. Yo, come on. Come on, don't yard with it. Come on, boy, come on. Don't yard with it.
I shop me, I go, mommy send me a shop.
Come on, boy.
Send me a shop.
Come on, don't yard.
I'm smart, I'll tell you, the guy see you. Come back, we're walking to now. You see, I'm one name, people around the jungle, man. Yeah, that one, but true, everybody let me have to shoot it close. Come back. Stop walking up and man, we're tired for your cut and come on, people are walking, I say go.
Stay behind the camera, just stand behind the camera.
That's true, though, no, brother, if you know, so I shoot, brother. Tired,
Hang her up, I'll tell her some foolishness, boy. Come again.
Come on. See the whole of momentum gone.
Come again.
Now if I turn back the camera here.
We don't come on.
Blow.
Then now, if you pull him in now. After the command.
Come on, boy. Come on.
Stop there, sir. No, stop, sir. You go outside. You're chicken now. Chicken move. You have a chicken now. One pee-pee. Blah, blah. I'm piss by you now. I'm going to go here. You can't go my yard. You have to come back over here, sir. You're using friend of mine, sir, now.
Who that?
Papai. Chucky.
Chucky.
Yeah.
Go call Chucky.
Go call Chucky.
Come on, move. Come on, outside.
Make him go first. Make him go my yard first. Go to my yard first, go.
Everybody come now here. Where's the way to look yours?
After you run go my yard, I know. After that, no. Papai go over there, link him. That's what I'm going.
So what, you actually call up Papai?
No, she go down there, a bleach pan him. And the Papai walk back over there. And he say, now come out this idea. So then Papai come back home and come and say, come back over here. Now go to me have some tie, then we play there. But then come on with someone who attends to you. Mama, I will Papai now and say, yo. So the boy. Yeah, but that's sometimes I work you know. Boy, call what man, because never see you about it. Yes, so it's bad, Papai, say it's bad thing now when you bad Papai. When you give up Papai, yeah, say, no, me, I blow. I touch my blow now, you know. And Papai remember him now, so blow. Let's eat the ball the time we go to school and take a blood to somebody and say, where here? We think that cops. Come back. So we want to know, you are a big boy. Say, if you're a big boy, are you know? Come back, I'm sorry. If you want me, if you're there, because I big boy alone on me there, you know, because I'm just one man.
No, man, you get big boy.
You know, you get big boy, go for big boy, please. Now,
Cool, but we have it there. Then he said, no, cut the sleepy camera from where we are going to say you can't roll there. No, it's ruling now.
Behind the scenes,
Yeah, you cannot do it.
Oh, you can't do so behind the scenes.
Alright, now, when you read right, I like to treat the same one, so you don't have to get it.
I'm going to make it one.
How much you for? Huh?
Come on. Come on. Come on, don't be out there. Go on and come on, you're repaying a boy. So allow me out to start with.
Alright, just a minute.
All up on people.
No, man, come back. Come on, make it happen. Sorry, come back to that door. Go back same place. Go. Come back. Subscribe people. It's what I worship.
Bye-bye.
Hurry up. Now wait for your boy. So long we talk about it for you. So long. All the people boy. I just want to try.
Come on, run off. Here we go.
I'm run off.
Don't run off. To the right, just. Yes, you run off. That boy, big boy.
Yeah. And call out Chucky. I know, Chucky have to come at the same time. Chucky! Just open the door. One Papaya come at the same time.
Papaya la pie.
Papaya, where are you? So? Yeah. Alright, my laptop online. As you put in Dutty.
Check last thing to last guy. I'm going to let you close the phone.
Oh, let me phone this time. I get my one is on the phone then. Okay, come on. How much you got on phone for a fight? Not my phone, man. No, my phone. Like Samsung.
Ready?
Come, over here. Yeah.
Oh, what there, so? Yes, I come. So, wait, swallow you.
Come on, you can't tell me to say no.
This is a laugh.
Wait.
You ready?
Hug up, man, and touch up on the
Alton Garden. How which one a big boy them this?
What happened to know it? Ready?
So people, they are going to update. Like Masika say, give them an update. So I guess it's a season 2 of Big Boy. Woman a fight over Chucky, so Chucky finally get a girlfriend as on the want. See people, remember to subscribe, AV channel, always are going to the latest where Richard Brown Films, Jamwood City, Paradise Nation, all of the latest. So I'm going to what I call this now. Kind of perspective, this first person perspective.
Make it in the same time, make it in the same time.
Them a fight, when I'm a fight over Chucky. I don't know what's going fight over man. Come again. Where's Jutta?
If you put that part there, you say, you remember what you do? Hey boy.
Where's Jutta? Where's Jutta? Jutta! Oh, you're on there. Come again, walk up, man. Come.
I've never seen these actresses before, people. So I guess I'm new in our place.
When they come, so you want to come, I want to out there fight over. One can say Chucky, two other can say Chucky one time. One can say Chucky one time. Chucky!
And so Richard Brown, little brother, this is Spoonie. Alton Garden, don't know, cousin to Richard Brown.
Come again.
Oh.
See people, season 2, Big Boy.
Ready?
I cannot fight this as still.
I want you to fight over.
When I do it, then two want to look up same time one to say Chucky one time. Yeah? Chucky one time.
What's following?
So Chucky. Right.
One time.
Action.
I want you to fight over.
No. Pause. Stop fighting. Chucky.
Stop fight.
Girl, what you want to eat? I don't cook at the restaurant.
Papa, what they must do?
They must fight over the good something.
No people may watch me at all.
Oh, subscribe me people. Subscribe. See this nice pretty girl over here? Yeah, subscribe.
Hey, them a fight over?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know they will fight over me for.
Just to confirm, this is season 2 Big Boy, right?
Yeah, but we don't know which part is season 2. But it's season 2 coming to you guys. And we are not going to stop it. We are going to give it to you.
Alright, my boss.
Wait.
One, two, three, Chucky. 1, 2, 3, Chucky. Ready? Alright, ready. Fight.
Oh, see, sweat.
1, 2, 3, Chucky.
Chucky.
Still on fire. No, don't still on fire. Alright, stop.
Alright, listen here. What kind of food do you want? Chicken? Breast? Leg and thigh?
Miss Shakaberry Madness. Don't know if you have a YouTube channel for yourself as well, people, so you can go over there and show her some love. Recently celebrated her birthday as well.
Good. Come in,
Don't worry.
You can't do this. You know what they fight, see me?
Yes, it's fighting. That's our movie do. That's our movie do. You have to be there.
How this?
No, we just wake up.
Oh, my God.
Nice. Action, fight.
Papa, I can't find him, Daddy.
Dutty! Wow, I'm not sure. When you talk to us, you really clear. Dutty!
It look like they find him now, people. Oh, see you next, what's that?
Come on, fight. Big girl, let me fight. Fight, Daddy. Hurry.
I don't know you. Let me have to tell you. No, you have to ask fire woman to say.
If you turn the water, throw some water.
No, man.
I saw pure.
If you don't listen to fire say, now I got tie up good, man. I have to listen to fire say, brother. But I don't know what you say.
Alright, that's Papa teacher beat them.
No. Don't make an axe fire, man. You axe fire, you're right here, man.
Are you people
Curious is the master of stories. You understand, Alton?
Huh?
Curious is the master of stories, so tie up the stories.
Yeah. But I even say it, if you don't know what you say.
Let me come back.
It's still a nice shot, man. You can still a nice shot.
You come and part them, Shaka go come back out and shop and say, yeah man, we're not woman man, we have to do better than that and sit down on them.
You say, you know what?
You tell them, not woman and me a woman, you know, look good.
So the next amazing thing about being in this space when they're filming, guys, is that, you know, myself as a filmmaker, I can learn. So whenever mistakes are made, you can learn from those mistakes. And of course, a whole heap of things I learn. I learn a lot of things whilst in this space that I will not be able to disseminate right now, but definitely in the future, man. So make sure you subscribe over here and to Lux Movie Channel. Like shooting boat to start again.
Papa, if you say anyone I don't know when only I get me.
Daddy tell them anyone of them win and them a make me. But me know what the bag I want win. You ready? Yeah. Alright, this one, right this one. Right. Alright, that's a very nice.
Alright.
Hold on, go across the car. Go across the car.
Come on. Come on, man. You can understand how you must conduct it. No matter what we try, you must conduct it.
Jutta, you there front? Jutta, you are there front. Fight. Action.
Yo, no man. No man, you can't do that. You can't. My gonna say I take care of girl you.
Yes, any one of them win daddy, but we don't want it.
Any one of them win. No man, no go on no man. No go on no man. You girl don't come back.
Go on. Wait.
What for?
No.
Come on, stage this man.
That's dead, it's too short. No.
Fight, you come break up a fight.
Yeah, I want to fight for you.
You come break up a fight. What I do? Hold them so there. I said, girl, come fight for my man. You can't sit over and say, you sit over.
Actually, it's a bit too far out that camera.
Look at me. Look up that man. I know I'm a one boy, so I feel proud as a father, you know. And as I go out. Where you live? You go so. You go so.
What's Shaka?
Son, you go and say,
son.
You're not going to fight.
Alright, come on, ready.
Yeah?
Come, Papa.
If you want to shift them way,
come, Papa.
You can say, me there with him from his birthday. When he call you, you're there with him from his birthday. You there with him from before him born. Yeah? You hear me say? You don't say that. Come.
Yeah,
come again.
You talk about 49 too.
Come again. Fight.
So director, Mr. Garden.
Me catch up. But you can't stand up by the door and look. Run back. Fight, man. Literal fight. You know what? More energy night, man. Let me say action, more energy night. Run more, Jutta. Walk up, man. Jutta. Walk up. Ready now. Walk up, Jutta. Action.
Yo, no man, you can't fight my youth. I want to do that. You can't do that, man.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm a son still, I'm a feel proud of you, but you can't. But you say I take care of girl in my youth.
Yeah, take care of what we don't want, this one.
Yo, you can't.
Wait. Stop, don't
You can't say no one, this one.
Hold on, Panan.
Yeah.
School move. You are going to say though, me there with him from Chucky's birthday and he come and want to come take me, man. That's all it is.
Close yeah.
Look on him. Hungry. Yeah,
me, I have blow too.
Yes. There with him from
no, blow no I say.
There with him from his birthday and the girl want to come take me, man.
Yeah.
I have blow and tired.
Simple.
Ready?
Simple.
Ready?
You're tired, you know.
You have to blow, yeah.
Just done fight.
Serious. Ready.
Ready. Give me a look, man. You're mad, you know. I'm not telling
Me there with him for his birthday and the girl walk out take me, man.
You girl, you can't do that, man.
Me there with him for his
You know. Hungry, man. Hungry yourself.
A girl, you're mad.
You are lick again.
Oh, calm down, man.
But me there with him for his ball.
Yo, hear me, man. Say, you go. Yeah.
Me know it too on there with him.
Yeah.
Ray. But you know look good. Balance, yeah. Ray. Understand? I'm a boy, I love him, proud of him. Come again. Bring them closer. Action.
You know if you fight, man. I'm a boy, you know. I'm feel proud of you.
Energy, no, man. You have to keep up with the energy. No, don't say nothing. Just that.
Punch you, basically.
Energy, man. Energy.
I want me case to go pink, man.
Big bomb up like paint that support. Come on.
I want me case, man.
Come again. Your father, you know, man. Ready?
I'm done, man. I'm a son still, you know. I'm a proud of him still, but you're not fine.
Sabron, how are you going, sir?
Alright, so basically what we are doing, apart from all the great films that we put on Richard Brown Films, we just came up with the idea that we might just start doing some films where we can put out faster so people can get them to watch. They're called uncut. They're not as polished and as well shot as the other films with us. Boom, put them together and put them out. But you don't know, uncut, Richard Brown Films.
Alright, cool. I will see what going on. So make you run with the woman around in the house a while ago, so?
She want to lick me.
Oh,
My mother, she want to beat me out.
Oh, cool.
Beat life out of me.
See, I'm
Richard
unruly daughter, no joke?
And Shammy hood.
So your daughter you get, daddy you get for your genes from, not mommy though?
You thickness and everything?
Yeah.
Father side.
Yeah.
Father. And the unruly. Mommy, I love you. Love you too, Dasha. Thank you.
Flagger.
Put you on a sir.
I'm not ready for you yet, mama.
Are you going to pick up?
Ain't good, man. That's one I see what go on. Big boy out the entire.
Heavy?
Alright. Yeah, we are shoot big boy.
Who's so pretty? Eh? Who's so pretty? Eh? Who is this?
Hey girl, come on. Come on. Walking around here around the thing. Come here. You can't keep it up well, keep it up while ago. No, it can't make sense. Don't do that, man. Don't play the man. Look what, who there on the bomb boss if you take a ball keeping with you?
But me pop one bigger stick. I am pop one
See
little
who
stick.
there.
Who refuse?
You know, keep a real man, but you keep it something that makes sense, man. And then after it's a girl, go and shop.
Murder him.
Say they shop now.
That's how you can go to
And make
Popeye.
it go to Popeye. Make a ball go to yard, make it think make sense, man, not play
Go back and shoot that time.
You buy something, you put on nail spanner. For your birthday, make it, you put on nail spanner for your sweet 16. Sweet 16. Let's say, you just say you're 17 also, but you're actually 16.
So, and I pass by me do it for him? And I pass a man or D can do it. Wait. Come on, say I have enough money now.
No, but watch out now.
Yes.
See carry now. You want me to charge that or something? Go on buy pasta and come back. When I'm done, we put it in the
Get the paper you sign.
Yeah, make it. No, you pass. Say you want the service upon yard. Go put
Church service.
Church
Church
service.
service.
You want private service? No, cause yo, they tell the pastor about you know, and the pastor want you up there to count for you.
I'm pray for you.
So yeah. The pastor go on. The pastor carry the job and pick up you.
That she I go say, no
Yeah.
matter.
Go
But
to
I
the
need
pastor,
to
go
go
and
to
get
the
the
house.
money. Come on,
Come in.
shop.
Yeah,
Come
send
back.
me
Go
to
check
the
that
house, I
before,
go
man.
pay
If you
out
want
and
to
So I go on here, so. One person missing. People will see if we can find her. Which part she a hide? Hello? Miss in the dark. Give me some light. Contact the people, man. Come to, alright? Feel sick? Come to. Come to light. You just look in the dark, so. You know, sweat and all these things. You sure, alright? Okay. Okay. Alright. Tata. Who? No, sure, that's us still.
Oh, which one? Yeah, man, I could buy more board party, so I can't say, yo, yeah. Guys, my thing was a 2 week and it didn't work out with all that.
Taylor. Where going?
Nobody now come too small and then nobody now rush them to done because they know the COVID there rough.
Taylor.
Girl, catch up, Martin.
Come here, come.
Alright, come. Change fast. Change your clothes. We can't turn out faster. How are pasta? Papa can't be faster.
Paul, if me hear name, plat up more than pasta.
Where you say? Where you say?
I can't climb up on, but yeah, do. Yeah, do.
Yeah, man, so.
Yeah, climb up on back. Climb up on back. Lego show a king so you can Lego.
Yeah, man, you can't watch it. You can't watch it.
Bye. Choco.
No, like I want you
So I'm going to the pastor. Like somebody still get more beaten. So I carry on show now I go and go to some update I go on in the Richard Brown films and all.
And you know, because grandpa don't talk, you know, because if grandpa talk, me tell grandma, say me think I'm a young girl.
You're informer. I want informer this bit.
That's how we talk when we young.
Move with a little looks, a little cheating.
So you don't know some nooks. You don't know you have pitney, you have big girl. Oh, me look at nooks. You work, no, me look at nooks work.
Go talk back to me.
Papa, what is happening? Explain to me what is happening.
I'm acting like a kid.
Hi,
Not a
Tavisha.
teenager. I'm a teenager. I'm acting like a 10-year-old.
Oh, sorry, I missed what you said all ago.
I'm acting like a kid in a movie, like a 10-year-old. I don't know how I'm pulling it, when I'm pulling it.
Oh,
Maybe me a person of fun guy, I can change my character, you know? I can be an old man, I can be a young, decent man, I can be a kid, yeah, you name it.
You can do roles outside of comedy, right?
Yeah, I can do roles.
But you ever play a role like that yet where no comedy none at all?
Well, I try it in action, but sometimes I have to get jokes the same way.
No, I say if you have movies out there where no comedy, serious, just serious.
Oh, one by one.
Or one by one.
Outside though? No. Oh, it's not one by one. It's what's his name? I can't remember that.
Carelessness?
Shame of myself.
Carelessness?
No, not carelessness. Is it serious? Is it business? Something with business. I think you guys watch it on Jamaican Hood. But I still give a little joke, but I show my serious side in it.
Okay, alright, my boss. Nasty puff. I go down your side again, people.
Welcome to Jamaican Hood Entertainment. We are here live. Start here, look pregnant. That's your story, man. That's your story. Like the first half foot, can carry build up to one, it's gonna drop you off.
Make that ass move. Y'all move it. Make that ass move. Hey, she done over. Hey.
No, that video over there, video, man. Do that over there. I'm teaching that to dance. So when he broke up, now you have to broke up. I teach to dance and something.
You know, you can't do this elegant.
Oh, you must have girls.
Alton. I go on with my general.
Yeah, man, I go on.
Yeah, anytime I have a camera on, I start talking. It's like I get nervous, man. I don't know what I hear, general. What I go on to do? What I go on to do? When I reach 100,000, I know my boss.
Yes, congratulations to the whole Richard Brown family and the whole team, you know. I know it's nothing normal, Jamwood Entertainment. Congratulations, reach 100,000 now. Now we are going for $1 million.
Okay.
Right?
Not even 500,000, 1 million straight.
1 million, right.
Alright.
So we stop say 100,000, we start say $1 million. And now, so people, subscribe, like, share, comment.
And check out the Big Boy movie on your channel.
Yeah, check out the Big Boy uncut. People, this is a different type of thing, you know. This is an uncut version. You know, I'm going to say, shot this or shot this or shot this. So this is just uncut. So just raw uncut talents right now we are dealing with. You see me? Normal. So check it out, man, and do the right thing and normal.
Alright, my general.
Curious, but you not have to show somebody who do it past the car can't drive up.
You can't drive up, but you have to be better if you get the pass now.
I can't go down it.
You have to pass every two.
What me? Official pastor?
You never pass one of them.
No, I have to shoot my good man, no uncut business. Shoot with angle.
Uncut, I'm in the blood clot place now. You're watching up. Uncut. How much which you there? 9,000. 9,000 my watch, you know. 3,000, 9,000 for 3 days. I just took this man and go 10,000.
I said uncut.
And you use them for this show because I have asked you. Comments tonight go longer. To have a paragraph.
Yeah, man, you have some long comments.
Because when they give the story with substance, if man go comment with substance. Then can't say I and boom and bam, jump and bam shell. You have to write out.
Banger. Banger. Boom shell. Banger shell. Ilya, you come to shoot. You finish with it? Yeah, but why not ban on slippers, Leah?
I said everything on my head.
You want the place wet?
No, we put food. Shit.
Hello, behave yourself.
The substance on the earth now.
The mineral good, but when the place is wet and you walk up in it, that is sick.
Nah, sick though.
Yo.
Let me tell you why.
So you can get to know and call Candy.
You know when I get this thing with you, it's on the soft of myself, it's sick. You want to run up and down in 9 months so hard that you sick.
When me ready, me walk barefoot enough to get my
once a while you walk barefoot, you will
no, man, walk barefoot all the while I'm in yard.
When me
Fuck
there,
you, I go to the Richie.
No, what a joke, yeah.
Yo,
me know say
Richie, yeah, there, yeah, Richie.
You see a man time before me come out.
You better one walk out, Richie.
Yo, me can't walk out of so barefoot, me I tell you.
You walk barefoot all the way, brother.
Me can't do it a bumper. Can't do it, man. You can take me off the advance, sir. You think my foot then ugly, my foot then ugly. Just can't wear look, foot then ugly.
I lie.
Thank you.
Boss, I show you in two them.
Then ugly.
Tell me how Alton two them looking at the comments, people.
Ready, man.
Alright, ready, let's go. Let's have a kind of come shooting up. First time there now. Come on.
Come on.
You gonna check slide, you gonna check Papa already?
Yeah, you gonna beat up Papa.
And then do a good line. And fuck, go on the man.
Probably fuck
This
around.
time, no man. No, Ram, yo, me have to
Come Alton, make me shoot.
Right, change this.
Come in, honest, I drive.
Alright. Woman, go on the phone. Go on the phone. Look at miss, go on your phone, look at miss. I'm talking to pastor. Right now, me look at daughter down here, give me a beer problem. But change your clothes.
You need prayer.
Me just change me clothes.
Not you, she shall change her clothes, just come back. Yeah.
What chair ready to write this up?
Oh, you want to say this?
Where? Go first. I don't know why they...
I'm go feed in and so them I go back up like I use it.
So why they lift you up this up? I need it.
So I want to find it. Good. Look up tie. Look up tie.
My cousin.
We done with the shop.
What happened? Eh? What happened? Can't go to Alton. Sweaty, I love your outfit where you come out in. You like the nice little sunshine baby for true. I like where you have on, you come out today and daddy apart. Eh? Yeah. You can't go to Alton. Alton is sweaty, man.
Big boy sweating.
Working. Right?
I went now, what about there now? Want to know?
Yeah.
Start shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, people, I'm gonna check out public report on Instagram.
Start shooting.
Start shooting phone call.
So, I'm going to drive going now.
Hold on, wait.
Oh, alright, wait.
You sit down, Van Paul.
The fuck?
Before you start, when you're preaching,
What?
you come and go and save me. You know? And it's the start something, man. You have words, words. Yeah, you understand? And it's jog time when you have a and pastor easy.
I just say, I look at me, I try to lead her.
A different life. Yeah, and I try to change girl. The girl birthday come up, I throw her out and put her in a nails. I'm like, this should look like you.
Pastor like big woman.
Go and say, yeah, before, put him on the phone.
Fall far from
Put him on the phone.
Check the far from the block.
You know, I talk on the phone.
I mean, I want to jump off her head, jump off her shoulder.
Go on over in the yard now. Go in the yard and come for the phone. Come from the phone then.
Oh, the blouse and skirt are going on, sir.
Guys, you used to dance on full and your daughter cut all more now. How we get it from?
Where am I get it from here?
Yeah, alright.
Yo, go put on, wait for the girl. Hey, I'm not like talking too long, man. If you can't fight us, stay inside then.
Sunfly start biting? Look at Miss One go and can't go home.
Hello. Yes, blessed sister. Hello, Pastor here. Pastor there. Hello, Pastor here. Yeah, what's up? They said, look how cute, what's your name? Cutie. Cutie?
Papa, we catch you as an voice note.
A lie.
Later. Come more. Big up yourself. So, she had talked to the pastor. But I'm curious on the phone. Yeah, man, enough self. Oops. Jaja, do you guys recognize this system here? Oh, better one make the noise. I'm not an Apple fan nor a Mac fan, but the screen resolution and the colors are amazing. That machine right there. Oh. Car keys.
Some service, you know what I mean? I'm sitting around here. Make sure you behave ourselves, alright? Line her up right now, Pastor come here and tell us anything I say, you must do. Right? Talk to her before you come in, you know. But tell her there, put her in a mind.
What going?
She in a mind.
Nothing.
Guidance, alright?
Later. No, me have a video. What going on, so? Look like they delete everything off I file them with them that I use. Man. Where they now do now, Papa?
Gotta take so much time, you know? I have a flight.
You have a flight?
Yeah, I have a flight.
Oh, you fly out there, overseas?
No, not right now.
Oh, I hear you. Where's the drive-by time? Who may I pick up, she?
Go by her now.
Who may I pick up, she?
Yeah, you pick her up.
You meet where key there?
Alton. Yeah, what the black bed?
How are you there?
Go on, you go. Yo, big boy, this one I have support you. Ready now. Set him out.
Oh, so behind the scenes, don't know people, so that is what is happening at Jamaiwood City. Later, I'm out.